We'll guide you through how to make a second YouTube channel under the same account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you've decided that you want to make another YouTube channel, maybe for a different style of content, or there's another reason why, it doesn't matter. We're going to guide you through how you can go about doing this under the same account, because you don't need to go and create another Google account in order to go and make another YouTube channel. You can have multiple channels under one. So make sure it is full guide and don't skip ahead. To get started, come to the top right of YouTube. There you're going to go and find your profile icon. If you aren't already signed in, go and sign in. What you can then do is you can go and see that I'm currently using this channel here. You can press switch account. So at the moment, I'm going to be creating this other channel under the Google account, robtuckervideos@gmail.com. If you've got multiple, you can go and switch to another Google account, select one of the channels you currently have, and then the channel we made under that account. So then what you can do is go and press the profile icon again in the top right, and we can go down and you can find the option for settings here, and you can go and click on it. That'll then go and bring you to this page here. It goes and says your YouTube channel, and you can see some different options. Come down into the section, your channel, and you need to go and find the option add or manage your channels, and you want to go and click there. That'll then bring you to the different channels you've got, and you can go and make another by then pressing create a channel. You can get started by choosing a picture. You can then go and choose your name. After you've done that, you can go and choose your handle. This one has to be unique, whereas the name doesn't have to be. And then you can go and press create channel in the bottom right. You can go and change these later if you want. Go and wait, and it'll then bring you to the channel as you can see. And you can then go and press your profile icon in the top right, get your studio, and go and switch account again as well. That's it.